Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to run a SQL query from your database to your Google Sheet. So here, I already opened up the Custodia add-on. I'm on the Queries tab, and I'm going to click on Create. I'm going to select my source, in this case, Postgres. I'm going to name my query. It's going to be Q1. And I'm going to select the method I want to use to write data to my sheet. In this case, I'm going to keep the append method. And I'm going to type in my SQL query. It's going to be select all from table 2. And I'm going to limit this to 10 records. I'm going to click on Run Query to test it. Okay, my data looks good. I'm going to click on Create. And from here, I can see that my query has been created. I can click on the Run button, and it's going to pull more data into my sheet. And since the method I used was append, it just added the records below the ones I already had. But I can also go back and edit my query. And instead of append, I can select overwrite, save this. And now when I run it, it's going to override all these records with new ones. And that's it. That's how you run SQL queries from your database into your Google Sheet.